I'm here. With me. Friend me on Roblox. Shoot the zombies. Oh god. Okay, where are you? Oh, I thought that was a pistol for a minute. I thought you were, like, just bad at this game. Meanwhile, wins game by being better than you. Ha! Look, I'm taking out these easy brutes. I'm about to die. Headshot. My favorite update to this game so far has been the headshot animations. Stop. 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 Silver, stop. Dr. Bubbles is needing of help. Smash. We gotta beat up Dr. Bubbles. We gotta leave him for dead. Yeah, I know. Oh, I have this because I'm level 143. Yeah, I've been playing this. We've got the pro. We got the pro, which is me. We've got the you got the average, which is you, and then we've got Dr. Bubbles, which is the noob. Once you get to start some of these weapons, it gets really easy to kill these things. Shush! Oh, I almost forgot that I'm recording too. Smack. So yeah, if it's like 1 minute and 47 seconds into the recording, and I forgot to do my intro. Hi, Juicy Fruits. We're doing a zombie rush with Billy and Dr. Bubbles, and it's good enough. Okay. The ruby ones are kind of easy to kill if you just have the right. Bop. Dude, I got my mallet. Don't worry. Everything's going to be okay. Oh, wait. I forgot that I need a... Wait, let me check. For my people, they'll see what I'm trying to get. This thing. I think it's OP. Pop. Pop. Okay, I'm taking heavy fire, guys. Don't worry. Hammers always do the job right. Oh, I've seen obsidian brutes behind you. These sapphire ones are annoying. Pop. Okay, I can impair for the gold and silver. And the skeletons. I can pop heads very easily with one shot. Dr. Bubbles, are you having trouble? Wave 5. I'm gonna die at this point. Pop, pop, pop. Don't worry, I got you. I love how we've been staying in this one... Okay, I'm gonna die. In this one area for... Yeah, see how easy it is to level up in this game? Wait, why don't we go up here? There's a bunch of zombies who are just waiting around the corner. Oh god, oh god. Bad decision. Yeah, they're there. Okay, I'm in the midst of all these guys, taking heavy fire like John Cena with a hammer. Okay, this is actually the bad. No, this is actually the not good. I do not like the not goods. Hey, stop stealing my kill, loser. Okay, is Dr. Bubbles, are you dead? Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay. I just realized how low my health was. Oh my god, I didn't see them. Dude, if I take one more hit, I'm dead. Oh, that's a lot. Help. I'm out in the main area. I think I need a little help. Dusty, help. Turn to your right. Help. Help. Snipe. Don't worry, I'll help you, Dr. Bubbles. Forgot my health was low. What? I accidentally stopped the recording. Yup. But good thing I paused it though. Or that would have been the bad. Okay. That's cool and all, but yeah. I was about to kill Dr. Bubbles because I reset. Okay, where am I going? Here we go. Beating up monsters, beating up monsters because I'm cool. Because I'm cool. I'm stuck in a corner. Why did you help Dr. Bubbles, but you didn't help me? Bop. No, I had the puppy deck. Oh, great. Now I can beat you up as a zombie. That's great. Wait, is Dr. Bubbles dead? No, the wave started, so I'm alive. Popping hands. Oh, you be Ruby, you be the Ruby, and then I be the smack you. No, I'll help him then. Oh no. No. Ha! Dr. Bubbles ran! Dr. Bubbles! Dr. Bubbles! Dr. Bubbles run! You're one of them? I think I saw you. I'm looking for a normal zombie in the mix. Maybe if I just do this. This will work. Did you kill Dr. Oh, you're alive. Which one were you? Oh, I didn't see you. I'm just popping heads over here, dude. You like being a zombie, so you're just gonna go melee? Wow, this is great for your stream. Also, I'm just saying my recording's up to 7 minutes. Is that you? Okay, I'm also being attacked, and I do not like. I do not the light. Well, no, I'll save you. Don't worry. Taking your mace. Help, because there is like 50 of these guys. Help. Okay, what if I leapt over this? They can fly. Why are they flying? Okay, can you kill me after I snipe all these losers? Oh, hey, level up. Oh, it's just you? What do you mean? Oh. Well, I'm still over here sniping these brutes! Well, Silver Brute got in the way, and therefore sacrificed himself. Oh! Ow! That was not good for the stream. That was not good for my recording. Oh, I'm so bad at this game. 16 minutes? You're gonna have to cut some of that off. Since I was at dinner, I have 9 minutes. So you're just gonna delete it? Because you said that at school that you delete anything that's 15 minutes or more. I should get Twitch. That was like a day ago. I like candy. Why? Someone didn't vote because it's only 2 votes for Candy Lane. Wait, I thought okay, there was a gold zombie under the door instead of a normal one. Okay. Oh wait, if you have the Hydra Laser, that one really sucks, but it gives you more XP for kill, I think. So it's technically good in a way. But I use this OP weapon that's just kill on it. Okay. Wait. for every headshot, I think this is like a headshot kind of weapon, because for every headshot, it gives you heck ton of XP. Pop, pop. Oh my god, what I touch. Huh, that's weird. Yeah, if I hit one of the heads on the normal zombie, they just pop. Are you dying? Pop. Wait, I'm waiting to level up. If you see my okay, could you? Okay, I'm kind of stuck. So basically, what my thing is I'm popping these rubies heads though. Can Dr. Bubbles even speak anymore? I haven't heard him. Pop. Just your average cringy YouTubers playing playing Zombie Rush on Roblox. Dying game. Wow, that gold just leapt in front of that brute and sacrificed himself. Don't be stealing my kills, Dr. Bubbles. Oh my gosh, there's a horde. Oh my, Dr. Bubbles, what have you done to me? Help. This is not good for the stream. No good for... Oh wait, I'm level 50. Now I gotta update my weapon while I'm in the middle of the horde. Oh wait, this is 160. No. Do we even unlock a cool weapon? Yes, I do. Okay, this is actually bad. No, I can't get out. Okay, I've had, like... That's not a good thing. Wait, why are they behind me? Okay, that's a little broken. But I respect. I do the respects. Also, that horde that's coming your way is probably from me. Oh yeah, you will. Why can I not be fast? Oh, I love this song. Where are you? Get wrecked! I came up like behind you and just whacked you twice. Okay, I've got about like 3 minutes and a half of recording left. No, wait. Okay, at least 2 minutes. 2 more minutes of recording. Space station. Why can't I just have a good weapon? I want the epic red sword and the laser sniper.
It's called the Keurig Ultra.
Guys, this is what I want for my main weapon. If you see me circling here, this is what I want. This one. It's the best weapon. It's the blow dryer. Oh yay, I spawned with my cool epic ice sword now. Look at it. It has ice swords and stuff. Hey, Dr. Bubbles, wanna see me get... Yeah, that's why I voted for this map. Okay, this sword is like literal trash. It actually makes me move really fast, I think. It's like the fastest melee weapon. Woo! See me cutting up these things. I have 93% health left. That is a record. Okay, that's better. Okay, now I do not need you disconnecting on me now. Okay, pop, pop. I'm just waiting for a horde to follow me so I can just pick them off with my ice sword. Who's following me? Pop, pop, pop. Oh gosh. Sorry for the cut, guys. I gotta get some more kills. I need to. I know. Okay, I admit I reached my max recording time, but I need to end it with like an epic kill. So I need to get a horde following me. Hit myself a bit. No, I need a horde, guys. Guys, I need a horde following me. Don't kill them. I need to end my episode off with a bang. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I see that. Let me in. Okay, 44. Okay, I'm just counting the seconds. Whoa, don't kill me yet, guys. 59, 50, 51, 52, and goodbye. Goodbye, viewers. Oof.